So to link models in Revit is quite simple. Alright, this is very helpful whereby you have different buildings to be positioned in one site. It will help you to coordinate your workflow very seamlessly. Alright, the only thing you need to do is ensure that you have modeled your site layout separate from the main buildings to be linked. This is what I mean. This is the site layout now, and I have modeled this separately, and these are the buildings I want to link here. You get my point? So that's just the simple step you need to take. Alright, I'll go to the site now. This is the site. Then if you look closely, you'll see that I've sketched out everything that I want, the features that I want in this very layout. Okay, so I'm going to link the Revit files now. Come over to this menu bar, then select insert. Now this is link Revit, select it. So wherever you have saved the files you want to link, just locate it in your drive. As for me, this is where I have kept all my files, so I'm going to select one. So let's link another one. So as you can see, the two buildings are clustering and we can't see where to pick and where not to pick. Okay, so come over to this visual style, change it to wireframe so that you can be able to see the lines of your wall. So I'm going to select this one now from here. This is move, then move it to this position. I'm going to keep it here for now. So for this model now, for this building, this is the face of this building, but I want to rotate it to this entrance gate. All right, so this is rotate. So pick your move tool again and move it to this position. This is perfect. So for this one, I'm going to move it to this end. Select it, pick your move tool. Okay, this is perfect as well. So I'm going to take a copy of this building to this side. Here is my reference point. Okay, escape. As you can see, we have placed everything perfectly, and that's very simple to do. All right, so let's check it in 3D. So this is basically how to link models in Revit, and that's very simple to do. The only challenge you may encounter is trying to edit these models here. So you can't edit any of these models here. So if you want to make any changes to any of these buildings here, what you need to do is to switch to that individual Revit window where you have modeled that particular building. Okay, for this one now, let's assume I want to delete this row so as to demonstrate what I'm saying. Now if I come over to this is the Revit window here. This is where I modeled it separately. So I'm going to delete this roof to demonstrate what I'm saying. Now I'm going to delete it. Sorry. So ensure that you save it back. Return to your layout. Okay. Now come over to this Manage tab. Select Manage Links. So once this dialog pops up, all the models that you have linked in your Revit will show here. Okay, so I have to, and that is the two models that I linked. Now I want to reload this 4-bedroom duplex, so I'm going to select it, reload. Okay, operation in progress. So it is ready. I'm going to cancel here. You see what I'm saying? Okay, you can't edit directly from here, but any changes you make to the other window here, it will reflect. Once you reload it, it will reflect to that layout. Okay, so that's basically how to do the adjustments if you are working with multiple buildings. It is very simple to do in Revit. So I'm going to undo this, then ensure to save it back. Then come over to this site layout again, manage links, select this 4-bedroom again, reload. So as you can see, to link models in Revit is quite simple to achieve. It is very simple to do, okay? And that's how to do it, very simple. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Emmanuel. Welcome to Embinnox Studio. Peace and love.